We did a lot of research on FIR saunas and selected this sauna. It's awesome. Great value for the 3-person size. Heats up to 120 in 20 minutes, hit 144 in 60. Changed a 15 amp circuit to 20 amp and installed 120V receptacle, and it performs amazing. The installation and build was very simple. We are so pleased with the system and saved 3 to 4 grand by buying the dynamic. Installed with wife in our basement. Important to have correct power supply of 120 amps. Unit heats up from 70 TP 125 in 40 minutes. Best temp I've seen is 142 *. You'll sweat like crazy at 125 *. I'm used to the old school steam sauna that would get up to 180 *. This unit is way more comfortable and I seem to sweat even more in it. Relieves arthritis pain and muscle pain. Does exactly what we wanted it to do. Nicely built, definitely like the fact you can listen to music or watch good movie and relax, and it heats up nicely 145, that's what I set mine's at. Excellent customer service, thanks to Tony everything went perfectly from sale to delivery to easy setup. Love our new sauna. The seller was absolutely great. He was in contact with me from the very beginning to let me know exactly what I should expect. It arrived just as the delivery company said that it would. The driver was very helpful. The packaging was very thorough and not a scratch on anything inside. It went together flawlessly. It would have been easier to put together with another person, but I wasn't about to wait around. I am also 6 feet and 220 pounds, so take that into consideration. Please listen to what kind of electrical connection that is required for the unit that you purchase. I am very glad that I did, so it was ready when it arrived. I highly recommend this product and this seller. I would not hesitate to buy from them again. Thank you for everything, Tony. This came well packaged, on time and in good order. Assembly instructions were accurate and assembly was pretty much to the letter. Not easy, but with patience, it went well, fit well, and looks great. But, double check dimensions. I am 6 and cannot stand up inside. 250 #, but only one other person can fit. Cannot sit stretched out like the pictures show. Maybe I was looking at a different unit. But it is working and I will use it. Very happy with this purchase. Delivery was as expected on a pallet. Needed help moving it into place. Takes 20 to 30 minutes to heat up, stays nice and evenly warm. Like the variety of light options. Bluetooth connected easily to a TV and music. Click on the link below to see price.